So we've learned the structure behind coach state. Now we're going to practice the exercise which brings us into the coach state. You may notice a slight difference in the visual field in front of you. I'm wearing a different scarf. I have a candle, and you will hear some music in the background. These are particular associations that I have when I practice my coach state here in my workspace. I've got the sensory smell of the candle, I've got the colour and the feeling of the scarf around me, the music in the background, and I will use one gong which I associate with the beginning and ending of my exercise. Now these are my particular practices which have been established over a long period of time. Of course, you can establish your own practice if you wish to. These are not elements that I have outside of this space when I wish to get into coach state, but they are certainly very valuable to me when I really want to ingrain the coach state experience into my muscles. So are you ready for the state of readiness? Well then, let's begin. The first thing I like to do is have an auditory signal that I am about to begin. Please take a seat, either in an armchair or a chair or on the couch, but most importantly, somewhere where you feel supported in the back in the seat and when your feet are flat on the ground. Now, you may wish to wear it with shoes. I personally encourage you to take your shoes off, but you may wish to have socks. That's okay, as long as you can really feel the ground underneath your feet. Pay attention to the seat underneath you, noticing how it supports you. Pay attention to the back of the chair, noticing how it supports the lower back, the back, and maybe even the shoulders. Pay attention to the armrests if you have them, noticing how they feel and support your arms at either side. And let's begin. Breathing in and breathing out, pay attention to your feet on the ground, noticing where they touch the ground or your sock or the sole of your shoe, from the toe to the ball to that beautiful curve to the heel. Move them around a little if you wish to. Settle them, notice them, and breathe. I encourage a breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, but you breathe in whichever way feels good, calming, and comfortable to you. The breath is very, very important when we wish to change our state. When we're in the crash state, our breathing can become heavy and laboured. But to get us into coach state, and indeed when we are in coach state, the desired state of calm and focus, you will notice that your breathing is more measured, relaxed, and helpful. Breathing in and breathing out, we pay attention to our feet. Now, as I do this, in my usual practice, I keep my eyes closed. This can be very, very important to remove the distraction of the visual field around you. If you wish to keep your eyes open, go ahead. Absolutely fine. Breathing in and breathing out. Notice the sensation of the sole of your foot on the ground. Breathe in the cool, clean air, noticing it as it passes through your nostrils tickling the hairs, down the back of the throat, flowing down and filling the lungs full of oxygen. This is actually calming down your parasympathetic nervous system. It counteracts the flush and flow of adrenaline and cortisol, which we need, but we don't need it in an extended amount of time. Allow the air to nourish your body, flow back out, caress the throat, over the tongue, over the teeth, and over the lips, as the warm, calm air exits the body. Breathing in and breathing out. Cool, clean air in, warm, calm air out. And as you breathe, you bring all of your attention back to the soles of your feet, grounding you. Feel the energy as you breathe and say, I am centered. Breathing in and breathing out, allow that flow of energy to flow from the feet, up the lower leg, through the knee, up the thighs, and into the seat, the bassin, or the pelvic cage as many women call it. Breathing in and breathing out, pay attention to the energy of the seat and say to yourself, I am open. Breathing in and breathing out, bring your attention to the feet, the flow of energy. I am centered. Flow that energy up to the seat. I am open. Breathing in and breathing out, bring your attention to the flow of energy into the lower back, up the spinal cord, across the tummy, the abdomen, into the thoracic cage, settling into the heart area. I am aware of what is around us. Breathing in and breathing out, we bring our attention back to our feet. I am centered. Our seat, I am open. Our heart, I am aware. Breathing in and breathing out, we bring our attention up the shoulder, up the neck, into the cranium, the head. Allow it to flow around the back of the head, over the ears, the mâchoire, the jaws, the top of the head, across the face. Breathing in and breathing out, bring the energy to the eyes, the nose, the cheeks, the lips. I am connected. Breathing in and breathing out, bring your attention to the feet. I am centered. To the seat, I am open. To the heart, I am aware. To the head, I am connected. Breathing in and breathing out, we bring this energy across down to the shoulders, into the arms, and all over your body, connecting each part to the ground beneath you, the seat around you, the space surrounding you. I am holding. I am holding my space, my presence around me. Breathing in and breathing out. Bring attention to the feet, centered, open, aware, connected, holding. Breathing in and breathing out. Long, luxurious breaths. I am in coach state, the desired state, the state of calm, the state of focus, the state of ready. Enjoy your practice.